Okay, so I need to tell you about the gelatin trick because I've been having this conversation with my friends a lot lately about collagen versus gelatin and which one is actually better for you. Now, I know some people swear by collagen supplements, but here's the thing, when you break it down, gelatin is basically just cooked collagen, and that's what makes the gelatin trick so effective. By incorporating gelatin into your daily routine, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to support healthy skin, hair, and nails. My friend who's been doing the gelatin trick for a while now says it's been a total game changer for her. She wakes up feeling fresher, and her skin looks more even-toned. And I think that's because gelatin is so much more accessible and affordable than collagen supplements. Plus, with the gelatin trick, you can use basic ingredients from your kitchen, which makes it feel more like a simple ritual than some fancy treatment. If you want to give the gelatin trick a try, I've got a link in the description below to a simple recipe you can follow, and be sure to check out the pinned comment for some tips on how to customize it to your taste. Start experimenting with the gelatin trick today and see how it can work for you.